Hello kids, today we will learn the squaring number. Squaring number, which number end is 5. I will make you understand very easily. The number whose first number, right hand side number should be 5. That is 45, 75, 95, 1005. This trick is going with this number only. ओके जो नंबर का एंड नंबर 5 है उससे ये ट्रिक हम अप्लाई करेंगे और बहुत इजी बनाएंगे एंड आई नो दैट यू विल एन्जॉय वेरी मच एंड यू विल लर्न वेरी फास्ट. ओके, लेकिन उसके लिए एक रूल है. व्हाट इज़ द रूल? The rule is do +1 on the upper left hand side figure and multiply with the lower left hand side figure. That is the rule, but I will make you understand with an example. Okay, we will go for the first example. Is 35 square. 35 and is 5. 35 multiplied by 35. 35's left hand side figure is 3, right? So you have to add 1 in figure, left hand side figure. 1, add 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. So you have to multiply 4 multiply by 3. 4 multiply by 3. So 4 multiply by 3, the answer will be 12. 4 multiply by 3, answer will be 12. The left hand side figure 3, you have to add 1, that means you will get the answer 4. ये 1 add करना, it's a compulsory, it's a rule. So the answer will be 4. Then you have to multiply the 3, the lower left hand side figure. It's 12. And these 5 and 5, it is compulsory that end figure is 5, the answer will be 25. In each and every figure, your right hand side answer will be 25. And it is very easy, you will understand the rule and you follow it. Okay, now we will go for the further. Second example is 75. 75 and is 5. This figure ending number is 5. So 75 multiplied by 75. Left hand side figure is 7. You have to add 1. It is compulsory. So you will get the answer 8. So 8 multiplied by 7 is 56. 8 multiplied by 7 is 56. And right hand side figure 25, it is 100% sure. So your answer will be 565625. The square of 75, the answer is 5625. And 5625, the square is 75. Okay, we will go further. 95. Okay, the end figure is 5. End figure is 5. 95. The square of 95, matlab 95 multiplied by 95. 95 multiplied by 95. End figure is 5. You have to add in 9. So 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 multiplied by 9 is 90. You have to add 1 in 9. 9 plus 1 equal to 12. 10 multiplied 9 is 19. And the right hand side figure will be 25. So your answer will be 9025. The 95 square is 9025 square is 95. Okay, thank you. We will go further example. I hope कि आप समझ रहे होंगे. You can understand the explanation method of mine. Okay, and if you not, then repeatedly see the video. Okay, now the fourth example is 65 and number is 5. And number is 5. 65 multiplied 65. 65 multiplied by 65. So the left hand side figure is 6. You have to add 1, right? So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. And 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. It is a, make sure that राइट हैंड साइड फिगर विल कम 25. ये 25 ही आने वाला है, इसके और कुछ नहीं, बिकॉज ये फिगर का एंड इज़ 5. देन वी विल गो फर्दर. 85 square. 85 square is 85 multiplied by 85. 85 end is 5. Okay. Now you have to add 1 in 8. 8 plus 1, right? 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 multiplied by 8 is 72. 9 multiplied by 8 is 72. And the right side figure is 25. 7225. The answer of 85 square is 7225. The last example is 105. This end is also 5. You have to observe that the figure has ending with 5. Now make the square of 1005. 105. 105 multiplied by 105. You have to add 1 in these two figure, 10. Last two figure 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 11 multiplied by 10 is 110. 11 multiplied by 10 is 110. And make sure left hand side, right hand side number is 25. So your answer is 11025. That is the answer of square of 105. Okay. Now you have to make practice on an offer, and you will get very easily and smartly the multiplication of the figure whose end is 5. Now we will do orally, mentally. Okay, now try for it. 45 multiplied by 45. Square of 45 is 45 multiplied by 45. End figure is 5. You have to add 1 in left hand side number. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. And 5 is 25. Then again 65 multiplied by 65, and figure is 5. You have to add in left hand side figure 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. 7 multiplied by 6 is 42. And 5 25. The answer is 4225. So you have to practice of 15, 105, 25, 35, 75, 65. So many figures are there with the end with 5. Okay. I hope you will make sure that you understand it or not. If you don't, then please comment me, and my number is in description. And if you like it, then subscribe it and share it. Thank you very much.